Hello guys! I've been testing lately some of the things related to voice, and because I'm testing different machine learning models, I had this idea for quite some time to actually do an audiobook read purely by AI. And right now it's a good occasion because, as you know from my previous video clips, and you probably have enough for that, I have written a book, Data Science Job, How to Become a Data Scientist, that's available on Amazon. And I decided that some of this book, or maybe the whole book, will be available as an ebook, as an audiobook here on YouTube. So my plan is to actually use some of the models available out there as an open source, test them and choose the best one for reading the book. And probably the next videos right now after this one will be the very first chapter of my book, the introduction, and I'll be super happy about your feedback either there or here, what you think about the whole idea, because for me it's really fascinating. So my goal in the end in what I'm creating is to be able to put content at scale, to do content marketing at scale of good quality content related to data science, because that's what's most important to me, but actually also related to other different topics because that's what's most important to my clients with whom I work. So having said that, I'm experimenting with different techniques for creating content with the use of AI so that the human input is just very little and most of the part is taken by different machine learning algorithms. And experimentation with voice, experimentation with videos is one of the steps, the next steps, because so far I've been able to use GPT-2, Grover, Megatron, and other text generating models, so I'm able to create a transcript for what can become a video. And the next step is have a good voice, so use a good text-to-speech algorithm. That's pretty much also done, I think, right now. Maybe I can tweak a little bit with the voices, but the hardest part for so far is creating a compelling video out of that. So I'm thinking about a couple of techniques that might be going in there with the eventual goal to actually replace me by an AI, and that's my actually goal for this channel, so that I won't have to actually do anything and you will be able to see new interesting videos just from the text I'm writing on different platforms. And you still see me, but that won't be me because that'll be image generated by AI. So that's the goal for this channel, for what I'm doing right now when it comes to playing around with content. And I'm at stage 2, meaning I have text and voice, and the problem is only with videos. So if you have good algorithms for generating videos from text, from audio, that'd be fantastic. So I have decided to, I have a couple of ideas, but they're like not very clarified on how to implement them. One of them is just use some of the stock videos and shuffle those. Use animated heads, but that's also not good enough. Also, the idea is to use deep fakes in the sense that I can use one of my faces and just, like lip sync. That's another idea that's doable, but that's not really compelling, and that's not really what I'm going into, because I would like to have something really, really natural and well done, well made, even better made than what I'm doing right now with this kind of, like very simple video where I'm just filming myself in my flat. So I'm open for collaboration when it comes to that also, so write me a message down in the comments or on LinkedIn or anywhere else. Yeah, so that was the introduction to the whole project of generating voice and generating the content by AI. I'll be talking about that much more, but for now, see the next video where actually the voice is doing speaking about what I have written. I think this is quite nice. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next episode.